So suppose that union is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and A equals to 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, and B equals to 1, 3, 6, 10, then C 3, 4, 5, and D is 1, 4, 5, 9. So the question is, what is PC? So PC set C is 3, 4, 5 because this is the element in set letter C. So the answer is 3, 4, and 5. So this is set C. Number 2. Shows that if A, B, and C are sets, then A, B minus A union C, A equals to B union C, then A. So first we'll get the elements of B and A. So this we are going to find the elements that different elements that is in a B and C, B and E. So the elements for these two sets is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So this is the elements for B and A. So next is the element for C and A. So C, A. So the different elements for these two sets are 2, 5, 7, 8, and 9. So since it is union, we will merge these elements and these elements. So the elements for these two is same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the merge elements for these two. So next we'll get the value of B union C. So the elements for B union C is 1, 3, 5, 6, and 10. Then for the A, we will just copy the value of B here. So minus A is 2, 4, 7, 8, and 9. So we'll copy first this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10 equals. So since it is minus, so here we will get the different number for this two, and we'll list down here. So the difference are 1, then 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So therefore A, B, and C are sets because they are equal in elements. So next we'll find the elements of B and D. So for the elements for our B is 1, 3, 6, and 10, and for our D is 1, 4, then 5, and 9. So we are going to find the elements of B and D. B and D equals. So first we will pair the elements For the B, 1 for these elements of D. So 1 and 1. 1 and 1. So next is 1 for the B and 4. Next is 1 and 5. Then 1 and 9. So the next is 3. So 3 and 1. Then 3 and 4. Then 3 and 5. Then 3 and 9. So next is 6. So 6 and 1. Then 6 and 4. Then 6 and 5. Then 6 and 9. So for the last elements is 10 paired by 1, then 10 paired by 4, then 10 by 5, then the last one is 10 and 9. So these are all the elements of B and D. Determine whether the function of z x z implies z is onto if mn equals to m squared plus n squared. So we will let pi be the value of n and n will be 3. So we will substitute the value of our m and n. So if m n is m squared plus n squared equals f, then 5, then 3 equals 5 squared plus n squared plus 3 squared. So 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 equals 25. 5 times 5 equals 25. Then 3 times 3 is 9. 15 plus 9 is 24. So this is z x z implies z is not onto. So let s equals 5, 7, 11. Then find if x is x squared plus 1 divided by 3. So first we will let the value of x by our first element, which is 5. So if s equals to 5, the replacement for our x, since it is our first element, squared plus 1 divided by 3 is equals to 25 plus 1 divided by 3. So 25 plus 1 is 26 divided by 3 is 8.3. And now we will apply the floor and ceiling function. So since it is on the floor, so we will round it down, so it will be 8. So 8.3 to 8. So next is 7. So if is equals to 7 squared plus 1 divided by 3 equals 49 plus 1 divided by 3. 50 divided by 3 is equal to 16.6. So since it is in the floor, so 16 will be 16.6 will become 16 because you will round it down because of it is floor. So next is if s equals to 11. So our third elements of set S squared plus 1 divided by 3, then 122 plus 1 divided by 3 equals 123 divided by 3 is equals to 40.6. Since it is on the floor, so we will round it down. So 40.6 will become 40. So F is equals, first is 8, 16, then 40. So this is our answer. So determine whether of this function from a, b, c to d to itself is 1 to 1. So first we will determine first the a. So if a equals to b, if b equals to a, if c equals to c, then if d equals to d. So a, b, c, d. So these are the codomain and these are the domain. So a, b, c, d. So the first is a equals to b, a, b. Then b equals to a, b to a. Then c is to c is c. Then d equals to d, it's this one. So therefore a is a 1 to 1. So this is yes, because the elements of the codomain images the elements of the domain. So here. So next, letter B. So if A equals to D, we will write first the codomain and the domain B, C, D, then A, B, C, D. If A equals to D, so next is B equals to B. Then if C equals to C, and if D equals to D. So therefore this is not a one to one. So because the two elements of the codomain has an same value of the domain, which is the D. So therefore this is not a 1 to 1. Prove or disprove that x plus y equals to x plus y for all real numbers x and y. So we will let 2.5 be the value of our x, and 1.4 be the value of our y. So x plus y equals x plus y. So first we will substitute the value of x and y, of our x and y. So 2.5 plus 1.4 equals 2.5 plus 1.4. So 2.5 plus 1.4 is 3.6, and here we will round up this one. So since it is 2.5, so it will be 3, and this one is 1.4, then we will round it up, so it will become 2. We will round up also this 3.6, so it will become 4, then equals, then 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So therefore it is false. The answer is false for all real numbers. So find f plus g and if g for function f x equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2 and gx equals 2x cubed plus x minus 1. So f of g equals f g x equals, so first we'll get the value of gx. So f equals to, the value of gx is 2x cubed plus x plus 1. Then next we'll get the value of x. So 2x cubed plus x plus 1. Then the value for the x is cube minus 3x plus 2. So first we will cube the value of g. So 2x cubed plus x plus 1, then 2x cubed plus x plus 1, then 2x cubed plus x plus 1, then negative 3x plus 2. So first we'll get the value for this one. So 2x cubed plus x plus 1 times 2x cubed plus x plus 1. So x, 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times x equals x. Positively 1 times 2x cubed equals 2 times x cubed. So next for the x times 1 equals x. X times x equals x squared. Then x times 2x cubed is 2x raised to the 4th power. So next is 2 times 2x cubed. 2x cubed times 2 plus 1 equals 2 2x cubed. Next is 2x cubed plus x equals 2x raised to the 4th power. Then 2 times 2x cubed times 2x cubed equals 4x raised to the 6 power. So bali 1, bring down 1, x plus x equals 2x. Then since we have x squared here, we will bring down the x squared. Then 2x cubed plus 2x cubed equals 4x cubed. Then 2 plus 2 equals 4x cubed. Then bring down 4x raised. So this is the first value for these two. And now we'll multiply the last 2x squared plus x plus 1. So 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2x equals 2x. 1 times x squared equals x squared. 1 times 4x cubed 4x cubed. 1 times 4x raised to the 4th power equals 4 raised to the 4th plus negative 4x. 1 times 4 raised to the 6, so 4 then 6. So next is x times 1 equals x. Then x times 2x equals 2x squared. Then x times x squared equals x cubed. X times 4 x cubed equals 4x cubed. Then x times 4x raised to the 7, so this is 4x raised to the 7. So next is 2x cubed. 2x cubed times 1 equals 2x cubed. Then 2x cubed times 2x equals 4x raised to the 4th. Then 2x cubed times x squared equals 2 raised to the 5th. Then 2x cubed times 4x cubed is 8x raised to the 6th power. Then 2x squared times 4x raised to the 6 is 8 raised to the 9. So 2x plus x equals 3x. X squared plus 2x squared equals 3x squared. Then 4x squared plus 4x cubed. Then x cubed plus 2x cubed equals 7x cubed. Then 4x raised to the 4th power plus 4x to the equals 12 raised to the 4th power plus 2x raised to the 5th. Then 8x plus 4x raised to the 6 equals 12 raised to 6 plus 4, 7, then 8 and 9. So the answer for 2x cubed plus x plus 1 cube is 8x x raised to the 9th power plus 4x raised to 7th power, then plus 16x raised to the 6th power, then 2x raised to the 5th power, then plus 12x raised to the 4th power plus 7x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. So this negative 3x plus 2, we will distribute this one in here. So we have here 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 3x equals 6x positive. Then 2 times 3x squared is 6x squared. Then 2 times 7x cubed is 14x cubed. Then 2 times 12 equals 24 raised to the 4th power. Then 2 times 2x raised to the 5th power is plus 4x raised to the 5th. Then 2 times 16 is 32x raised to the 6th power. Then 2 times 4 is plus 8 raised to the 7th power. Then 2 times 8 equals 16x raised to the 9th power. So next is negative 3x. Negative 3x times 1 is negative 3x. Negative 3x. Negative 3x times negative 3x times 3x is negative 9x squared. Then negative 3x plus times 3x squared is negative 9x cubed. Negative 3x times 7x cubed is negative 21x raised to the 4th power. Then negative 3x times 12 is negative 36 raised to 5th power. Then negative 3x times 2x raised to the 5th power is negative 6 raised to the 6th power. Negative 3x times 16 raised to the 6th power is 38. Negative 38 x raised to the 7th power. Then negative 3x times 4x raised to the 7th power is negative 12 raised to 8th power. Then negative 3x times 8x raised to the 9th power is 27. Negative 27 x raised to the 10th power. So we will add, then bring down to positive 6 minus negative 3x is positive 3x. Positive 6 minus negative 9 is negative 3x squared. Positive 12 minus 9 minus negative 9 plus negative 9 is negative positive 3x cubed. Then positive 24x raised to the 4th power plus negative 21x raised to the 4th power is positive 3 raised to the 4th power. Next is positive 4 plus negative 36 raised to the 5th power is negative 32 x raised to the 5th power. So positive 32x raised to the 6th power plus negative 6x raised to the 6th power is positive 26 raised to the 6th power. Then 8 plus negative 38 is negative 30 x raised to the 7th power. So since it has no the same power, so we'll bring down negative 12 x raised to the 8th power. Then also for the 16 x raised to the 9th power, then negative 27 x raised to the 10th power. So we will copy negative 27 x raised to the 10th power x to the 10th power plus 16x raised to the 9th, then negative 10 x raised to 8 negative 12 then negative 30 x raised to the 7th power, then positive 26 raised to the 6th power x raised to the 6th power, then negative 32 x raised to the 5th power plus 3x raised to the 4th power, then 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus 2. So therefore if of g is equals to negative 27x raised to the 10th power plus 16x raised to 9th power minus negative 12x raised to the 8th power, then negative 30x raised to the 7th power plus 26x raised to the 6th power minus negative 32x raised to the 5th power plus 3x raised to the 4th power plus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3 plus 2. So this is the answer for f of g.